In this video, I'm going to show you the database that it works. I can do the updates, inserts, statements, and I've created all the tables. So first I'm going to run this. So I have my insert into clients, and I'm inserting Tony Stark. And then I have an update on the clients and set Tony Stark to level 3. Update inventory, where the name is supposed to go replace from nylon rope to climbing rope. And so I've got it doing that in one whole query, replacing both of those, the lowercase and the uppercase. And then you have a select, where you get 7 rows back on this miscellaneous column name, not column, but description of a column, or an item in a column, and you sort by that. And then you have this delete from inventory where this is. And so I'm going to go ahead and run it. And so we see we've got one insert, one row affected. This one worked, and then I went undo, so it works. It replaced it, and I didn't have to do it manually. So, and then you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 right here, and then it deleted that row, and so that is now gone. So it does everything that we need it to do. We can even see it in this. So if I go back to here, and then I go to inventory and come down to climbing rope. So this was nylon rope before. So that's fixed, and you can see that the one car that we're supposed to delete is gone. And then you can even come here, go back to here, and go to clients. And you can see I have tons of Tony Starks, so that's an error. Well, that's fun. I might have to work on that. Anyway, but that's this week. So it inserts. It works. It inserts. I just keeps reinserting and it doesn't catch the error. So fun. Categories. It doesn't affect anything there. But anyway, so that's good. So the database works, and so now, and obviously I've had this running if it's going to work. And now I have this page, the connection page, and I'm going to show you that that works. So the link works successfully, and if I break the link, it still works. Like, it doesn't still work, but it shows that. And then so that's with the echo message. And now if I go in and so I just pasted in the updated version, the end version of the link. So if it works like it should come up blank. And then if I break it, it should come up with this, a server error. So everything works. So the connection file works, and I've got this PHP file that works, and I'm going to fix that real quick so I don't save it broken. Anyway, so there's this function. Sorry for the hair dryer. I think that's all for this week. Thanks for listening.